Yes, massive. Once a blessed love and greetings. Yeah, man, welcome to the channel again. We're there again for another reason, and you see it. So, yeah, man, we're going right forward to the original, the groundation. You see it? Yeah, man. So, once a welcome to all our new subscribers, all our people who just are check in. Once a welcome. All our people who there from day one, once a big respect. You see? Yeah, man, we go and tally. A long time we don't link up, you see it, but you don't know. Go and bless up yourself, see where you. Yeah, man, when I read you out there, you see. Yeah. So we are going to get right into the reasoning today. And we are going to talk about the great Rasmucker, you see it. Yeah, man, we're going forward for the original, you see it. So, I don't know how much I want to ever taste, what you call it. I have a little thing in the palm tree. Only for Asian people eat that in their cuisine and them, you see it, them use it in their cooking and them kind of thing. You see, where them strip in the middle of the palm, you have a shoot where you break that out and strip it down, and you have a soft piece in the middle. You see it where people cut it up and use it as vegetable. You see it, so me never really taste it personally, and me never really see nobody here to cook with it still. You see it or use it as part of them cooking and them kind of thing. You see it. Probably I was part me grew up, me never really see that up. You see it. So I don't know if any of the item ever observe that being used around where the item grow up, or if you never taste it before seeing where to can chime in and make we know seeing where how it tastes, and you understand what kind of cuisine you want to have it in and them kind of thing. You see, cause we see Rasmucker make some gungo pea soup and he might add some palm bark in it, seeing where you see it, so yeah, man, the great one they out there again are doing things seeing we, and yeah, once a big up to Rasmucker, you see it. Yeah, man, one of my most successful YouTube video, it come from talking to Rasmucker, so you understand me ever go grateful for the opportunity when I get to talk to him, seeing we, you see it, and realize a whole heap of people still never really get the message, seeing we still, you see it, and a lot of people still watch the video and still comment, and I see some of the things that my people are saying. One of the things where me happy about differently still is that the Ras channel never stop, you see it. The man never fall in and give up. You see it. That I think what me admire most about the thing, is it, where the man push through and him continue and him are getting support seeing way to, and in channel I improve, and we see him continue doing things seeing way to, and people are support him seeing way to, and we do give thanks for that. You see it. And one of the main things where I try to get in the whole scheme of things are the independent and the independent owning of your craft, you see it? Because me still I say Rasmucker is a man where him have something marketable about him, you see it, and you understand? People find what I'm doing interesting and learning seeing where to, you see, because he's a man where me see he might maintain the original Jamaica way of life, you see it. Enough people might criticize and say whatever they want to say about him, but at the end of the day, he might do what he might do, and You understand? Him just a be himself and pass on the knowledge what him have to the ones around him and them kind of thing there. And we have to appreciate that if we not appreciate anything else. You see it? Yeah man. So we see how him treat Ratty differently still. And the way how him pass on the natural, organic teaching to Ratty. So Ratty understand the purpose of growing in own food and them kind of thing. Because one time you see how Ratty deal with the thing. And depend the vineyard scene we are help out. I put in his own bit of planting and them kind of sitting there. You see it? I learn from the grassroots. You understand? Literally I learn from the grassroots the importance of farming and natural lifestyle and them kind of thing. There you see it because we see it's a modernization a take over the place, you know. Enough of the youth them Ratty age. You find say most of them would have a electronic gadget round them a play and you understand them now have no interest in a natural living or farming and them kind of thing there. You see it? And if you see the youth grandfather pass on them the kind of energy upon him and make him understand the importance of, you understand, growing your own food and eat what you grow and them kind of things. You see it? Them sitting there commendable, you see it? Because as I say, you see enough young people nowadays, how modernization take over I think, you see it, everybody there in front of one smartphone at turn idiot, you see it? So when we see the little youth in our farm and him have put in for him bits in way too, we know say the youth here, you understand, him learn some solid things where enough youth are miss out on, you see it? And for that we have to say respect to his grandfather, you see it? And respect to Ratty and way to you understand, have the courage for take on the learning, you see it? Because I want him to take this thing serious and know say him are the future for whatever he seen grandfather deal with, so him for just stay focused so him can, you understand, meditate on how him can improve and grow what in grandfather have to the next level, you see it? And the ones them want me see round him, you know, we realize that the audio and the visual get some improvement, you see it? So we know say some people are help out the rest and deal with the thing, and I hope say everything set out properly so everybody they in the right place and everybody know them place, and you understand, everybody I work towards making the great man continue to pass on the knowledge and them kind of things upon young people and them kind of sitting there. You see, because we don't have much people in the space where they pass on the kind of farming knowledge certain way upon people and giving people that kind of authentic Jamaica vibration like how we see it a come from over a smoker. You see it? And them kind of things we have to say respect for them and we have to commend the brother for do what him do. You see it? And we want some more strength and more power to the youth. You see it? And the grandfather same way. You see me? So Yeah, man. So one for know say Ratty are the future. We say that for a morning still. So yeah. Just continue grow your things same way youth and you understand? The man a grow and a turn big man same way to it. So you understand the levels. Yeah man, so at that height man. So for the people who did probably miss the whole story what we did a try to get out is the independence and the independent owning of your craft differently still. You see it cause you understand what the Rasta deal with is something where vital and necessary for pass on upon people and you understand if the general can do something and it can bring him some kind of revenue for improving thing. Yeah man, I saw it for government. You understand? People forget pay for whatever work them put in. You see it and them kind of thing. They see it and I just the fairness of how people deal with people things. You see it? Cause you go have some people where feel like I said through them own the channel, they own the art and the craft where come with the performer same way to so it better you just lay things out straight from morning and make everybody know what part them a play and how the things go share and them kind of things. So you see it cause I don't know one man thing, is it? If it wasn't for Matthew, Rasmussen wouldn't get so popular. And same way, if it wasn't for Rasmussen, we wouldn't know about Matthew same way. So at the end of the day, the two of them work hand in hand and the two of them benefit from it same way too. You see it so at the bottom line of it, the thing must be dealt with in a one equal manner where you understand people feel satisfied and the pay where you get for your work must be justified same way and I just saw me see it differently still. So you don't know. Big up to Rasmussen and more strength on the thing. Cool vibe, Rasta Moko. You understand? So people wanna go over there and check out the channel. Continue to give him the support where you don't know him need and he deserve. Yeah, who wants to big up to Ratty and more strength to your youth. Continue learn and take in the things them where your grandfather show you. You see it cause you understand the kind of teaching there. Enough Jamaican youth to lose the touch there, you see it cause them now have the privilege of having a grandfather like yours to pass on certain kind of gems on them same way. So you see it so what y'all get differently still. Sometimes it might seem boring to you differently still, but just take it on cause a life lessons, brother. And you understand? It only go make you better in a life. You see it so continue learn, continue do what you do. Listen to your grandfather, be a good youth. You understand? And take in your lesson at school same way too. You see it youth? Yeah man, so you don't know. Go and take care of yourself, take care of your family. Rastafari live. Rastafari live.